Okay, here's my grill, replacing the burners. A couple more notes to add on. I got a replacement kit for burners, and first of all, the ends of the ones that were in there are bent. So you're going to have to bend the ends up to make it work. Also, the space on the end of these, this little gap, is not consistent. It's adjustable. So you may want to go through and adjust those. Also on mine, the holes in the replacement kit are a lot bigger, so FYI, something to think about. So remember, you got to bend the ends up. And you might want to see if they come with a cotter pin. Mine didn't. So the end down here, that goes on a screw that sticks out, and you clip it in place with a cotter pin like that. Also, there are some slight differences in the manufacturing of these things, like this little flange. As well as this little bit is not at the same spot.